What's up everybody, it's Matt here. I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, home to over 300 temples. Today I'm going temple hopping, trying to see at least 7 of them. Let's go. Built back in 1296, Wat Chiang Man is Chiang Mai's oldest temple. This statue is a representation of the 3 kings who were the founders of Chiang Mai. Stop number 3, Wat Chedi Luang. Spend a bit of time here as this complex is one of the biggest on this temple hopping itinerary. Next up is Wat Phra Singh, otherwise known as Temple of the Lion Buddha. Absolutely loving this Chiang Mai weather. I don't mind being covered in raindrops. Next up, marvel at the architecture at Wat Phra Singh. This temple complex is almost entirely silver and is definitely my favourite. So the first 5 temples of the walking tour have been in and around the town centre. I'm walking to number 6 now, and I haven't taken a tuk-tuk or whatever the hell the other type of taxis are called here yet. No walk's been more than 5 to 10 minutes, and I've only had to pay entry to one, and that was 50 baht, so about $2 Australian. And that actually came with a small souvenir and a free bottle of water, so great value, great day so far. After about a 20-minute walk, you will find Wat Suan Dok, a very significant site in Chiang Mai as the white shetties contain the ashes of the Chiang Mai royal family. So the last one I believe is called Doi Suthep. Apparently it's at the top of the mountain, not walking distance, so I'm gonna need to find a ride somewhere. I expected there to be tuk-tuks and taxis and stuff all over this place, but there's none, so I'm on the hunt. So, update. I reckon I walked myself about halfway to Doi Suthep, and it was obvious that I needed to get a ride to get me the rest of the way because it was up a hill. So I flagged down one of these things, whatever they're called. You can let me know in the comments if you know, I just don't know how to pronounce it. I said Doi Suthep, and the guy's like, yeah, get in. Proceeded to drive me all the way back across to the other side of the old town Chiang Mai to his buddy, who then tried to get me to pay 700 baht to drive me back all the way across the other side of town and back up and back down. So I don't know if that's a fair price or not, but it's more than I'm willing to pay, and I'm a little bit pissed off that I was halfway there. And then old mate decided to drive me back the other way, so gonna give Doi Suthep a miss. Maybe I'll add it on to tomorrow's itinerary, but for now you win some, you lose some. I'm gonna go grab a beer.